I'm Brittany Wolfe, and I am a development chef. We're part of the development process here at Conagra. We work closely with the food scientists to help develop the products that you see in the store. What I like about cooking, there's two parts to it. The first is that it is an artistic expression. The other is I got into baking because I like the science of it. So I like adding A plus B, you get C. And that was very satisfactory to me. So that's why I kind of broke away from just the standard cooking and I got into more of like the science in baking, is because if you do these steps, you're gonna end up with this every time. What I love about Conagra is that even though it's a very large corporation, we have all of these great tight-knit groups where you feel like you're almost part of a family.